Welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing 13 necessary gadgets, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. Water Monitor. The Moen Smart Water Monitor provides robust home water management. Its automatic shut-off feature learns your water usage patterns, preventing damage by detecting leaks and shutting off water when needed. Real-time notifications keep you informed through app, phone, and email alerts. The Moen app offers proactive water control, while FlowSense technology enhances security and water savings. Installation is straightforward, with all components included. Number 2. DOCKCASE Pocket NVMe SSD. The DOCKCASE Pocket NVMe SSD features a smart enclosure with an HD display for intelligent SSD detection. It predicts SSD life, identifies disk authenticity, and offers a read-only mode to prevent accidental data loss. With live transfer readout, users can monitor transfer speeds in real time. The enclosure supports hot swapping and features 3-second power loss protection to avoid data loss. It is compatible with NVMe PCIe 2230 SSDs, supporting M-Key and BNM-Key USB, ensuring secure and efficient data management. Number 3. Smart Wall Switch. The Sonoff NS panel is a versatile smart wall switch, integrating HMI control, temperature management, and home automation. With one-tap scene control, it manages multiple devices and central control functions. The built-in thermostat maintains comfort by triggering heating or cooling devices. It offers diverse control methods via touchscreen, dual switches, e-wheeling app, and voice commands through Alexa, Google Home, and Siri shortcuts. Number 4. 3D Printing Pen. The SCRIB 3D P1 3D printing pen is perfect for creativity and artistic expression. It promotes spatial thinking and is ideal for family time, handmade gifts, or home repairs. The pen offers stepless speed control for detailed or fast-paced projects. The ready-to-use kit includes 3 colors of PLA plastic, a power adapter, a manual, and a stencil guide. Number 5. Ice Maker. The Govee Life Countertop Ice Maker delivers convenience with remote app control, compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFT. It produces 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes and offers 26 pounds of ice daily. The machine features a 10-minute self-cleaning cycle, ensuring hygiene. With advanced sensors, it provides alerts through voice, panel, and app notifications. The Govee Life Ice Maker offers 3 ice sizes and supports flavored ice, enhancing everyday use and smart home integration. Number 6. iMassager. The Renpho iMassager offers soothing warmth and oscillating pressure to relax tired eyes and enhance sleep quality. It features comfortable heating between 104 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 to 45 degrees Celsius, and uses rhythmic percussion massaging for relaxation. The massager is foldable and portable, perfect for travel, office, or home use. The adjustable headband ensures a fit for all ages. With thoughtful safety considerations, it is not suitable for individuals with certain eye conditions, providing a reliable and comforting experience. Number 7. USB-C Hub. The Hagibis USB-C Hub is a versatile solution for expanding device connectivity. Featuring USB Type-C, HDMI, and USB 3.0 interfaces, it offers fast charging and seamless compatibility with iPad Pro, MacBook Pro, tablets, laptops, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. This compact and sleek hub enhances productivity by allowing multiple devices to connect simultaneously. Its durable build and advanced features make it an essential accessory for professionals and tech enthusiasts seeking a streamlined and efficient workflow. Number 8. Power Station. The Anker Power Station offers sustainable power on the go with solar panel compatibility. Its 60,000 mAh battery ensures devices remain charged during outings or emergencies. The Power Station includes a retractable light and an SOS button for added safety. With 60W and 27W USB-C ports, it can charge laptops and phones efficiently. The Anchor Power Station is ideal for outdoor adventures, blackouts, or everyday use, combining eco-consciousness, portability, and powerful performance. Number 9. Music Ring. The Sphero Spectrum's Music Ring transforms any surface into a musical instrument. Tap colors to create sounds, loops, and beats using the app-enabled ring. It features advanced sensors, LEDs, and Bluetooth connectivity for a tactile and portable music-making experience. The Spectrum's Mix and Edu apps provide curated sound packs and integration with software like GarageBand and Ableton Live. With over 2 hours of playtime, this durable silicone ring inspires creativity and enhances learning through music and technology. Number 10. Meal Prep System. The 4T7 Smart Meal Prep System combines dual cutting boards, a digital scale, and a timer to elevate kitchen efficiency. The walnut wood and wheat straw boards are knife-friendly and perfect for meat and veggies. Its waterproof design includes a fold-out stand for quick drying and a trench groove for easy cleanup. Health management features allow precise measurement and time preparation, making it an excellent choice for meal prepping, healthy eating, and sustainable kitchen practices. Number 11. Air Quality Monitor. The Qingping Air Quality Monitor 2 offers precise monitoring of temperature, humidity, CO2, PM2.5, PM10, ETVOC, and noise levels. Its 4-inch touchscreen displays real-time data with color-coded indicators for quick assessment. With smart Wi-Fi connectivity, users can monitor metrics remotely via the Qingping Plus app. The device supports historical data export and firmware upgrades. Featuring top-level sensors and a replaceable PM sensor, the Qingping monitor ensures accurate air quality assessment for a healthier living environment. Number 12. Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder. The Rosius Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder is a smart kitchen gadget offering hands-free operation. With its stainless steel design and blue LED light, it ensures precise spice dispensing. The grinder provides multiple grinding levels, from fine to coarse, with an easy-to-use knob. An on-off button enhances safety, and the battery-operated design offers powerful performance. Ideal for those with arthritis or hand pain, this grinder is perfect for kitchens, restaurants, barbecues, and gifting to culinary enthusiasts. Number 13. Tempest Weather System. The Tempest Weather System delivers real-time weather data, including temperature, wind speed, UV levels, and more. It features a solar-powered outdoor sensor with wireless transmission up to 1,000 feet. The system uses advanced machine learning to improve forecast accuracy over time. The Tempest app provides instant access to weather conditions, lightning and rain alerts, and a 10-day forecast. With smart home integrations and Apple Watch support, this system offers a comprehensive and user-friendly weather monitoring experience. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.